In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in a Wix website. Now, just a little heads up before we dive in. Wix doesn't have a specific built-in survey app. However, we can still accomplish our goal by using Wix Forms or integrating third-party apps like 123 Form Builder or POWR Form Builder available in the Wix app market. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this. First things first, let's head to your Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate your site and click Edit Site. This action takes you straight to the website editor where all the magic happens. Next, it's time to add a forms section to your site. On the left-hand menu, click plus add. From there, select Contact and Forms and click on Form. This is where we're going to create the survey that fits our needs. Now comes the fun part, customizing your form. Click on the form you just added and select Manage Fields. Here, you get to tailor your form by adding different types of question fields that are relevant to your survey. You can include multiple choice questions, text input fields, or even rating fields, which are great for gathering specific feedback. Once your fields are set up, it's a good idea to give your form a suitable title. Click on the title area of your form and rename it to something more appropriate, like Customer Feedback Survey. This helps respondents understand exactly what this survey is about, right from the get-go. Moving on, let's configure your form settings. Click on Form Settings and then select Submissions. This section allows you to decide where the survey responses should go, either to your email or directly to the Wix inbox. Choosing the right option ensures you won't miss any valuable feedback. For those of you looking for more advanced features or logic in your survey, you might consider visiting the Wix app market. Click on Apps from the editor and use the search bar to find apps like POWR or 123 Form Builder. These apps can be added to your site and offer more robust survey functionalities, such as conditional logic, which can be very handy depending on your survey needs. Finally, after you have everything in place and are satisfied with your survey, it's time to publish your site. Simply click Publish in the top right corner. This action will make your survey live, allowing visitors to start interacting with it and providing their valuable insights. And there you have it. Creating a survey on your Wix website is straightforward with these steps, whether you're using Wix Forms or integrating a third-party option. Thank you for watching and happy surveying.